new game developer, and I got to know that game jams are a great way to learn more and to make something playable in a short duration of time. So I thought to give it a try and joined Godot Wild Jam, which is organized every month. This jam is 9 days long, but I was busy. Therefore, I had to make the game in only 3 days. So this is a devlog about how I made this game for my first game jam. Thank you if you are still here to watch the devlog. This time the theme was inside the machine, and there were some wild cards, but they were optional, therefore I didn't pick them. So my initial idea was to make a 2D game in which the player is weird. Oh please, don't disturb me, Ritz. My initial idea was to make a 2D game in which player is inside an old machine and he has to put screws, bolts and gear wheels in their respective places. Firstly, I made the player and made him able to move in all the directions. Then I made the world scene, which would be instanced for every level. Machine is old, therefore I thought to make some dust, which player will clean to make his path. But the problem was, I was not able to find the way to delete the dust tile when player will enter it. Then I tried things like detecting the collision between player and the tile map and deleting the tile which collided with the player. But it was kind of buggy. Then I came up with a weird approach, which fortunately worked. The idea was to use one area 2D and 4 position 2Ds. When the dust tile map will enter the area 2D, then the dust tiles present at the position of position 2D will get deleted. Next, I thought of making an enemy, which can navigate only the path which is without the dust. Hence, the player will have to limit himself in clearing the dust, because it would make easier for the enemy to chase. I implemented this with the help of navigation 2D node and added a new tile map to it. Here's the code for it. And now, whenever player will enter the dust tile map, the dust tile will be removed and navigation tile will be added. And the results were as expected. I was very happy seeing it work. Then I replaced the dust with cobweb and smiley face enemy with fly. It doesn't look like a fly. Yes, but you do. I implemented a spider power-up which will make player able to generate webs for 5 seconds. But sadly, I forgot to use this in my game. Therefore, you won't see it anywhere. 1.5 days was passed and 1.5 was left. And this game had nothing which could be played. Therefore, I did the rest of things in hurry. I made a screw which is a collectible. And made a box in which the player will have to put the screw. Then I made more collectible and more boxes. And now the player can hold only one collectible at a time, which would be displayed on the screen. Then I made some more levels. You can download the game from itch.io. You can pay for it or download it free. Link will be in the description. These are some screens which I made for the UI. And yes, I didn't forget about the most important feature. I made this music in literally 5 minutes. After seeing the comments on my submission, I realized that This game isn't a failure because I got to learn from it. You are wrong. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.